Buongiorno and welcome to the beautiful Bella Sanlucci kitchen. I'm Chef Richie, and here in times of crisis, when life gives you lemons, make limoncello. So we're gonna make this famous drink from Italia. It's wonderful, refreshing. It takes a long time. You have to take your time, go slow, and we're gonna get cooking now. And in about a week, we're gonna have some great limoncello using the lemons from the orchard in the Italian tradition. Ingrediente numero uno, vodka. So we have a big pitcher of vodka here. It's a liter. Okay, it's not full. Take it easy. Now we're gonna zest our lemons. There are three parts to the lemon, basically. There's the zest, which is the yellow part. There's the pith, which is the white part inside, and that's very bitter, so we don't want that. And then there's the flesh and the juice inside, so that's better for lemonade and lemon juice and to put into your other cocktails. And we have lots of time now, so I'm gonna do this slow and calm. Take it easy, because the peeler can also be like a knife and dangerous. And if you see, almost no white on the zest when it comes off the lemon. And I'm smelling the wonderful aroma of these Meyer lemons. It's a special kind, but you can use any kind that you like. So you just keep doing this with either 10 regular sized lemons or 8 gigantic lemons like we have in our orchard. Here we have our lemon zest from our lemons that we grew. I love that. We're gonna put them into the vodka. And please don't be tempted to try this early. You have to take your time with a lot of Italian things. Now, the last part of phase one is we're going to loosely cover it. You're going to keep it at room temperature for 4 days. Okay? Maybe put it somewhere beautiful over here and enjoy the experience of making limoncello. I'm back in the Bella Sanlucci kitchen. This morning was a beautiful spring day. I was walking through the lavender field outside, and I thought to myself, wouldn't it be wonderful to have lavender limoncello? So I picked some, and I split the original vodka lemon zest mixture into 2 pitchers. I split my water and sugar for the simple syrup that I'm gonna make now into 2. And so let's get that going. Okay, so we've split our ingredients. Here comes the sugar into the pot that I'm gonna put the lavender. First, I'm going to stir it up. Get that dissolved a little bit. And here comes the lavender. And this is gonna be a lavender simple syrup. This is also great for lemonade, just so you know. I've had a lemongrass lavender lemonade before, it's wonderful. And now let's make our regular limoncello simple syrup. And if you were just making limoncello, you would use all 4 cups of water and all 3 cups of sugar in 1 pot. So now we're gonna bring these to a boil. We're gonna boil for 2 minutes. All right, so we've strained the lavender out of the simple syrup, and that one's on the left. On the right, we have a simple syrup, just a plain simple syrup. We're going to strain the lemon zest through a funnel and get the vodka in there. This smells so good. I wish you could smell it right now. And the lavender is very strong, smells great. So it's easy to tell the difference if you get them mixed up. So we have our 2 jars capped. We're going to let these sit out at room temperature for a week. Then we'll put them into some beautiful bottles and put those in the freezer. And when it's frozen, it'll be ready to drink. And I'm really looking forward to that. And we'll do that together. After a week away, we're back in the beautiful Bella Sanlucci kitchen with the limoncello that has been resting for a week. We have 2 flavors, traditional lemon and the lemon lavender. All right, this is so exciting. We're going to pour our traditional lemon first. Please be careful when you pour to not spill a drop of this luscious goodness. and it's already a little thick, but it'll thicken up nicely in the freezer. You know, because it has alcohol in it, it won't freeze. And I think we pour up to where the neck starts. Look good? Let's cork it. And this is 2 weeks of work to now put into the freezer. Okay, let's pour our lavender flavored limoncello. A little bit at a time. Oh, I spilled a drop. I really can't wait until it's ready, but I'm going to have to wait. Nice and slow and careful. And I'll cork it. We're gonna save the rest to bottle up for friends as gifts. Okay, we're gonna put these in the freezer now to chill for 3 or 4 hours, and then they'll be ready to enjoy. Now the fun part. Thank you for joining me on this 2-week journey. It was a fun job, and now we get to enjoy the fruits of our labor to celebrate life. Chin chin. Alla vostra. So good. Lavender lemon. This is really fun. Chin chin alla vostra. Salute ragazzi. Wow, that's aromatic. It's a little less sweet than the traditional lemon. I love this. I hope you make it yourselves. Enjoy. Chin chin.